What would you do if your paycheck disappeared tomorrow? That is not a hypothetical question, as thousands of women just like you are waking up to layoffs, and many never saw it coming. Welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine Allen, and I help women who feel stuck or unfulfilled create more freedom and purpose by starting a profitable online business while you still have the security of your job and choosing to leave that whenever you're ready. The reality of job insecurity is real. Massive layoffs. Microsoft just had a layoff. So many other major companies are laying off, and that's not to mention the smaller companies. Industries like tech, media, finance, and retail, they're all restructuring. And now, also with the reality of AI and what it can do with AI agents who are basically digital individuals who could do the work where a team of 10, if you incorporate AI, you can bring that team down to maybe 5 or 6. So this is the reality of where we are. The job that you have that you think is secure, even if you are the superstar on the team, it is still not secured. In addition to just the insecurity of a job, the emotional toll that a layoff can take on you is different for everyone. You could lose your identity, and someone who's experienced a layoff, I know how that feels. And if you never experienced it, you really don't understand it. You would have to experience it or have already experienced it. But this is the bottom line truth. When companies make decisions for a layoff, you become just a number, an employee number. As I stated, it doesn't matter if you are a superstar because the decision makers, they are looking at how they can get that bottom line to where they need to have it. So it's so important that you know the real question around a layoff is, what is your plan B? If you were to get laid off tomorrow, what is your plan? And now the reality of finding another job, I don't know if you've been on LinkedIn or just heard the news, but in the past, it used to take maybe 2 to 3 months, to find another job. Nowadays, it could take 6 to 8 months, but so many individuals, it is taking a year or more to find another job. And unless you had a really nice severance, that could really, really impact your family finances and just the livelihood. So, my question to you, look at your situation. What would you do? Do you have a plan B? And the way things are going, it just makes more sense to have a plan B, because even if you get another job, that could end up in the same situation of another layoff some months or a year down the road. So my question is, what is your plan B? What I recommend is that you think of what you could do on the side of your current job, something that you really enjoy, something that can help you to create additional income. And for me, of course, I mean, if you've been on my channel, you know it's all about digital marketing. Now, while you're still here, let me tell you, I have something for you, and I would like for you to grab it before you take off if you're going to do that, but hopefully you'll stay. I have a free guide entitled Tap into Your Zone of Genius and Monetize It. It is in the description below, so grab that. It is free. And as it states, everyone has a zone of genius, but many of us do not realize it because it's something that we do naturally and we do it well. So grab that. But getting back to the plan B with digital marketing, why I really love it is because It's something you can do that can work for you while you are working your job. Digital marketing is basically leveraging the internet and digital technologies to run the business. The other really good thing about digital marketing is that you could learn the skill, and it is a skill, just like any job that you have. The current job that you have, one of three things happen. You have the formal training for it, you were a mentee to someone who mentored you in the position or the role, or you had written instructions to help you. Digital learning the skill of digital marketing is no different. So when you learn the skill of digital marketing, you can take that skill, you can create a digital product, and in digital marketing you could also market and sell a product that was created by someone else because of master resale rights, or basically someone giving you the license to resell their product and you keep 100% of the profit. As I mentioned, in the digital world, you could actually market a product that someone else has created because they have given you the right or the license to do that. A product that I feel is just so helpful for someone who just want to get into the online space, learn the business of online business, is a product. I have the information below, but not only do you get this product to resell, but more importantly, you get a system. It will take you step by step in understanding what the online space is, what digital marketing is. You will learn how to set up your payment systems. You will learn how to do automation, how to have the email sequence, how to start a funnel. It is so amazing because it is put together in such a way that you're building on top of skill after skill after skill. And not only that, when you start a business, sometimes when you're by yourself, it can feel lonely. Well, in this particular program or this system, you get access to a community where on one day a week you can show up with your questions regarding the course, just regarding the trying to bring your business together, and you will get nuggets from an expert who's been in the field for many years. So not only do you get the product to resell, you're getting a system, you're getting a community, you're getting mentored. This is such an amazing opportunity, and the investment, one-time investment, and you continue to get the community and the mentoring. Absolutely amazing. Do check that information out below, because if you're serious about starting an online business and having a ready-made product to resell, this is the program or the system for you. And that is a really easy way to get into digital marketing and start a business on the side of your current job. And what's important about learning the skill, when you learn the skill of digital marketing, you could also create your own digital product with your expertise and your skill. And not only that, your personal life transformation. If you have overcome some challenge in life, that there is a large segment of people who are struggling with that same challenge, and they you have been able to successfully overcome it. Let's say, for example, weight loss. You've discovered how to lose weight. You've been able to keep it off, or you've been able to navigate being successful if you're someone who has some medical condition, and you have been able to navigate how to manage that and have a full life. So many individuals are struggling with some condition, and they are looking for help in how they can do that. And don't, when you really talk about relationships, let me tell you the three most profitable areas in the digital space. That's health, wealth, and relationships. And when you think about relationships, for example, someone who has struggled with trying to recover from a divorce, or maybe someone is struggling with how to communicate in a relationship, and there are coaches who help individuals with that. So when we think about life transformations and how you can help someone, think of it in those terms. And sometimes you are very skillful at that, but you don't even realize it. Not only that, in the digital space, online space, you can bring your skill set from corporate if that is something you would like to do. Many people want to leave the skill that they have in corporate, but if you are someone you really enjoy what you do, you just want a different environment to do that, you can take that skill set, that expertise, package it, and offer it to business owners and entrepreneurs who need your skill set in their business because they do not have an in-person on-site person, or who actually not on-site but just in-house person who have that skill set in their business because they're small and they're growing, so they may not be able to bring someone on full time, but they need that expertise inside of the business. You could bring your skill set from HR, IT, marketing, project management, accounting, finance, and you could package it up and present it as a service offering, being a service provider to the business owner or entrepreneur as needed. And you would just create that package and offer it to different, multiple businesses. And that could be your business. There are so many avenues around that. And that's where I really help individuals to identify and build that business so that you can have your own business, your online business. That is what I've done. I have taken all of my skill set from corporate, my formal training, and put it into my business as a life coach and as a business coach to help individuals start their online business. And I'm very excited about it. I tapped into my natural strength and my formal training and my experience, and I've found what I like to think of my zone of genius. So I would like to help you do the same. All of the information regarding that is also in the description below. And I want you to really think about this is what's very important. What AI is going to do for the work landscape. I think many people are not truly aware of what it can do and how it is going to really reduce the number of individuals companies have on staff. So it's very important that you get ahead of that, either to start your own business on the side, learn a new skill, and even learning a new skill in AI to start your own business. That is something that I have to stay on top of things. And the beauty of AI is that it's also digital. So you could actually learn the skill of AI, but you got to turn around and put it into an online business. So therefore, the skill of digital marketing you still need, because if you have a business but no one knows about you, or you don't know how to get the lead generation, you won't be able to sell the services that you have. So that's why the skill of digital marketing, even if you go into the AI space, you still need to know how to market online to let individuals and businesses know about you. So the bottom line is, whether you want to really get into digital marketing or if you want to pursue AI, you need to bring the two together. So therefore, I just encourage you to really think about it and think about the changes that are coming in the workspace. I thank you for stopping by to watch this video. I hope that you will come back, as I will have more videos around work online, starting an online business, and then also incorporate some things about building your confidence to believe that you can start an online business. Oftentimes, our own internal blocks are keeping us away from tapping into the person we really are or the person we would like to become. If you are someone who's always thought about, I want to do something different. I want to be in control of my time. I want to be in control of my finances and not have someone tell me this is all I'm worth, or I can't take off to take care of some personal things when I want to, because when you work for someone else, they do own your time. You have within you the power and the expertise to do your own thing. Do not let fear or the fear of failure keep you from pursuing something that you really want. When I work with you, we definitely work on mindset, because if you're going to start your own business, you really have to get your mind right or reset in a way to have the belief and the confidence that you can do this. So again, thank you for coming by, and I hope do subscribe and I hope that I will see you on the next video.